Welcome back to another big match between Ireland versus Paraguay. The match has been started. Matt leading the ball. Fonda. Beautiful pass. Enciso. Collins. Troy Parrott leading the ball. Beautiful pass. Yvonne. Nicely cleared by the defenders. Almiron. Antonio this time leading the ball, passing to Julio Enciso. There is a big chance, directed and goal. That was not expected by the Julio Enciso. Far away from the pole. The goalkeeper was considering that he will come too near, but Enciso didn't give that chance. Paraguay 1, Ireland 0. Paraguay did magnificent goal. Now is leading by 1 goal. Yvonne this time hit but touched the player. Joan. 15 minutes have been passed. Beautiful goal executed by Julio Enciso in the first 10 minutes. Still, Ireland is trying to attack. And yes, they are trying. Let's see whether they will achieve the goal or not. But the defenders are standing there to defend the ball. Paraguay defenders are strong. Yes, they can defend easily. Chance. Big chance, directed touch of the player. Nicely picked by the goalkeeper. 32 minutes have been passed. Still Paraguay is leading by 1 goal. Okpene leading the ball. Beautiful pass. Knight. This time, Knight mistake. Julio Enciso again leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Antonio. Fonda. Gomes. Enciso again. Julio Enciso again. Directed and goal. Second goal after 43 minutes. Julio Enciso. That is awesome. 2 consecutive goals in the first half. That is appreciated. Paraguay 2, Ireland 0. Ireland is totally under pressure. That was not expecting by Ireland. Ireland 0, Paraguay 0. Ireland 0, Paraguay 2. Second half has been started. Let's see what will happen in the second half. Yvonne this time. Knight. Gomes. Gomes again. Josh. Knight. Beautiful pass. Troy Parrott leading the ball. Beautiful dodge by Cubas. Chance Antonio.
The attendance for this match was 62,005.
Robbie Brady leading the ball. Beautiful pass, but defender was there. Again taking chance. In the second half, Ireland team players are attacking over and over again. But the thing is that whether they will got the goal, the match will decide this. 72 minutes have been passed. Jason taking the chance. Directed touch to the right pole. This time, Magnificent tried, but bad luck for Ireland. Only 10 minutes remaining for this game to be completed. What a beautiful strategy done by Paraguay. They are just wasting the time. They know that only 5 minutes remaining now. Antonio, Julio Enciso, another chance. Almiron. Touch to the player head. The ball is outside of the line. There will be throw. Troy Parrott. Hit, but touch to the player. The time is over. Ireland 0, Paraguay 2. Paraguay won this match.